Yeah, this is the framed engine block ground strap location right here. This is the oil filter right here. You've got to disconnect this. I don't know whether it's better with or without the flashlight, I don't know, but anyway, that's the oil pressure sensor. That's got to be disconnected, and then there's a brace right here that I just kind of moved it out of the way a little bit. You got to disconnect all these wires and take these clamps off that hold the wires. There's two of them. You've got a big bundle here and a smaller bundle. Like I said, disconnect the oil pressure sensor. The way I got to that is a 3/4 inch straight box wrench and a 3/4 inch offset wrench. It looks like there's two more grounds on this, but the one I'm after today is this a framed engine ground strap. I've got it pretty much loose, so I'll take it off from the engine. I've disconnected the battery. I'm going to take it off from the engine block first, and then I'll crank the camera back up and disconnect it at the frame over by the battery. Right now that's where I'm at. This thing looks pretty corroded. It'll cause you some serious issues, but I'll be back in a minute. There's the actual engine block that the bolt goes in. That's pretty corroded. It's hard to see. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll clean that up. Clean up these two extra straps. I'm going to buy a new ground strap. Not even going to bother cleaning it. It's probably the original. Yeah, I'll get that all cleaned up and get back to it. I'll get that all cleaned up and get back to it. In order to get to the ground strap, I doubt you can see it down there, but here's the battery. It's down on the frame right beside the battery. You got to take this battery off. So you got to take this panel off. It's just a 10mm bolt right here. It comes all the way off. And then 3 star nuts, bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. And then you've got a 10mm bolt in here that you just loosen up, and then this panel slides out. Then you can disconnect the battery and take it off. And once you get the battery removed, that's where the ground strap is. Right there. It's almost just below the brake booster. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see it better with or without the flashlight, but anyway, that's where it is, right? The best thing I found to get to that 10mm bolt beside the battery is a 3/8 drive ratchet, an extension, a long extension, and a deep well 10mm socket. Just get it down between these wires, and it comes off pretty easy.